Sorry.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by to check out the video. So my wife came to me this morning and said, my bathroom sink drain is draining really slow. That's a kind of a common refrain in the house. I knew exactly what was wrong. It was getting clogged up with hair. And I've always had a solution for dealing with that that's like super easy. Doesn't require any chemicals and is less than 5 minutes to actually resolve the issue. So I thought, you know what? I might as well share that. And what I use is something called a Drain Weasel. And this is a older model of a Drain Weasel. This is kind of you just sort of turn the handle here. And then this is the business end, which is just about worn out in my case. Still works, but I need to get a new one. And this end, and I don't know, it's got it's hard to tell. Let me see here. It's got little barbs in that. Again, this one's about worn out. But what happens is you just snake this down into the drain and you turn it using the handle here. You just kind of give it a little spin as you're inserting it into the drain, and it will grab hold of a hair clog and it'll pull it right out. So I'm going to show you, there's actually a newer model of the Drain Weasel. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. They're not paying me. I buy these online on Amazon, and I'll put the link in the description as to where you can get these. They're really inexpensive. I think you can get like 5 of them for less than $20 or something like that. So super inexpensive, super effective. If you don't have one of these in your house, you're crazy. I mean, because it can save you a lot of hassle. And again, it doesn't require any chemicals. So I'm going to actually use this on the drain that my wife says is draining really slow. All right, so on the back of this door here, I have a little gizmo known as a Drain Weasel, and this one is darn near worn out, but we're going to try it anyway. I do have another one. I forget which brand this is, the black one here. It's not as effective as the orange one, the Drain Weasel, but it's newer, so I'll bring it along just in case I need it. All right, so this is the drain that the wife says is draining really slow, and I'm sure it has a big blob of hair. So and you don't have to take anything out here. This is capable of snaking in. You just have to, there we go. And as you're putting it in, you spin it. Goes down in there, and ooh, already starting to pull the gunk out. Ew. Gross. Yep, a big glob, hairy monster there, and that was all that was wrong. And a lot of times that's all you have to do is just run one of these things in and out of the drain, and have a strong stomach, and you'll be good to go. I hope that was useful.